Hey guys, BDoc92 here again. First thing I want to say is thanks for watching. If you guys do like the video, please like, comment, subscribe it. Let me know what you think. Um, you know, if you guys have other opinions about the video, about what you guys use for home defense and that kind of stuff, let me know in the bottom. I'm more than willing to talk to you guys down there in the comment section, so let me know what you guys think. Again, so thanks for watching the video, guys. Uh, First thing I want to start off with is going to be the pistol. It's going to be a Glock 17 Gen 2. And I mean, there's a lot of people out there who do use this pistol as well for home defense. And I'm sure it's probably for a lot of the same reasons as me. It's got a very nice long slide, so it's very controllable when it comes to recoil. It has a very high capacity for magazine. So, if you get multiple attackers, two, three guys, you know, a little 6, 7 rounder, that's not gonna really help you much. It's giving you about 2 shots per guy. If you miss one or two, well, another guy's not getting shot. So you gotta think about that. Uh, I like capacity. I'd rather have it. If they say need, we'd rather have it and not need it than need it and not have it. So I'm definitely on that bandwagon there. This does have an integrated laser, which is pretty nice. Another reason why I like using this at night, be very easy to target people and that kind of stuff. So yeah, and to complement this, I have my Extar EP9 pistol, and this is what I give my girlfriend. Well, would be handing her in some sort of home defense situation. I would be taking the pistol. Well, first off, I'm a better shot. I can control it better than her, and well, this works well. It's got a really nice SIG Red Dot on there. It has good function, so whenever it gets moved, it automatically turns on. So just me picking it up just now activated that laser. Not laser, but red dot. I don't know if you guys can see it in there. Probably not. No. And it's definitely activated. But yeah. These are the two main things I would use in a home defense situation. The biggest reason being is the caliber. It's gonna be 9 mil. I do have a lot of close by houses and neighbors and stuff, and I'm very worried about over penetration and that kind of stuff. So when it comes down to it, I gotta do be safe with my neighbors next door. They have kids and all that kind of stuff, so I don't want to be liable. Um, so that's the biggest reason why I choose these two guys is because it's 9 mil. They're both highly capable of defending yourself. I forgot to mention, also does have a flashlight for nighttime defense as well. So gotta be able to see what you're shooting at. And yeah, guys, I highly recommend in a home defense situation, depending where you live, to go 9 mil, just because it will put people down, it'll do the job, but it's also not going to overpenetrate and possibly hurt, your kids, neighbors, animals, any of that kind of stuff. Um, so yeah, definitely one of the biggest perks and why I have this kind of specific Pacific. We're not, in the ocean. Um, Combo is because they, have the same exact magazine. It's nice. So this does take Glock magazines. So I can interswap. I can leave a couple mags in my nightstand, a couple in my girl's nightstand, and you know, feel like it'd be more than adequate in a self-defense situation if it comes down to it, and I feel the need to have to work towards, my gun cabinet or my gun safe. to get the AR. It's a pretty dire situation if I had to pull that thing out, honestly, for just a home self-defense thing. So yeah, shit hits the fan. That's the first thing I'm grabbing for sure, you know. But just my little home defense, I would just go with the Extar EP9 and the Glock 17. Um, yeah, because of that 9 mil, the non-over penetration, the fact they're compatible magazines, it's a no-brainer for me. You know, with the laser on the pistol and then the red dot with this, I feel, you know, super safe at home. Yeah, like I'm never gonna have any worries about a home invasion or anything like that. So yeah, um, these are, you know, my recommendations. What I think works very well for the home defense situation, and that's why I use it. I do have other things I could use, but I just prefer this. This to me is what works best. So yeah, again, let me know what you guys think down at the bottom. I will have separate videos on both these, a little more detail, specs, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, comment, like, subscribe, let me know what you guys think. I will talk to you, you know, because I'm a nice guy, decently nice, you know. Even if it's bad, if you have, you know, criticism, whatever, lay it on me. It doesn't matter. So yeah, thanks for watching. As always, guys, take care now.